In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a default description for YouTube videos automatically. This is a really handy time saver, especially if you find yourself typing the same things over and over again, like your social media links, a short channel description, disclaimers, or contact information. By setting a default description, YouTube will automatically apply it to every new video you upload, and you'll only need to tweak the parts that are unique to that video. First, make sure you're signed into the correct YouTube account, the one associated with the channel you want to update. Then go to YouTube Studio. You can do this by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner of YouTube and choosing YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. This is where you manage most of your channel settings and content. Scroll down that menu until you find the option labeled Settings and click on it. When you do, a small settings window will pop up in the middle of your screen. Inside this window, you'll see a list of sections on the left. Find and click on the one called Upload Defaults. This is the area where you can define what YouTube should automatically fill in for every new upload, including the title, description, visibility, and more. For this video, we're focusing on the description. In the description text field, type or paste the default description you want applied to all your future videos. This might include things like links to your website or social pages, a standard call to action asking viewers to like and subscribe, frequently asked questions, or any legal disclaimers you need. You can also leave space or placeholders where you'll later add video-specific information, such as video topic or timestamps, so you remember to customize those parts after uploading. Take a moment to check your spelling, formatting, and links, because this description will appear on every new upload by default. When you're happy with it, go to the bottom right of the settings window and click Save, and that's it. From now on, whenever you upload a new video, YouTube will automatically insert this default description, saving you time and helping you keep your channel consistent and professional.